Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today's video I'm going to go over my Magswitch with my built-in firewood measuring thing. It's just a Magswitch. I love these things. I'll put a link to them in the description. It's you release the switch, it comes right off. And then there's a tape measure kind of hooked on there. Made a little bracket, bolted it to the tape, and then bolted it to the Magswitch. It'll just fit right in my pocket when I don't need it, so I always have it with me. And then how it works is it just bolts right onto the bar, and then turn that, activate the magnet, and then you set your tape in whatever length firewood you want. Say 14 inches, and then I have a 2-inch, so that's about 16 because the tape's 2 inches. This is a brand new battery chainsaw I've never had before. I just got it recently. I love this thing. Just made it. I can mark it out. 14. Mark the next one out. 16 there. That's how easy it works. Retract the tape. Retract the tape. Release the magnet. Put it on either side. To go on that side if you want. Any size tape you want. Any size firewood you want to set it to. Pop it right off. Fits right in your pocket. So here's a close-up of the tape measure. I have that channel kind of screwed onto the back of the tape. That's where the clip to hang it is. And then the Magswitch goes through the channel and is bolted on like that. How that works on the chainsaw is it just goes right up to the bar, lock it in place. It's on there pretty solid. And then you just pull that tape out to whatever length wood you want. Here's a couple other examples. Here's my small Stihl 200T. Just fits right on there. Activate the magnet. Stick on there. So this is my little climbing saw. I'd work on there. You could use it just for marking out the boards if you want. Or cutting all the way through. And here's a little bit bigger saw. This is my Stihl 361. It'll fit right on here as well. Activate the magnet, and then there's the tape right there. The thing I like about it the most, none of the other technologies I've seen that have these similar measuring sticks, is you just pop that magnet off, super easy like that. It fits right in your pocket, and there's nothing to lose. Alright, well thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments below. This is Jonathan at TopSaw. Thank you for watching.
And his daughter's shoes.